If you live in Slidell, you know how intense the heat and humidity can be for much of the year. Long summers, strong sunshine, and heavy moisture in the air can put constant strain on your home's cooling system. If your energy bills seem to climb higher each season, your windows could be a major part of the problem. Replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient options is one of the smartest investments homeowners can make to reduce monthly utility costs while improving overall comfort. Why old windows cost you money? Many older homes in Slidell still have original windows with single-pane glass or aging seals. Over time, window frames can warp, seals can crack, and tiny gaps can develop around the edges. Even small openings allow conditioned air to escape and hot outdoor air to creep inside. When this happens, your air conditioner has to work overtime to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. The result? Higher electricity usage and steadily rising energy bills. You may also notice uneven temperatures from room to room, drafts near windows, or excess humidity indoors. How replacement windows improve efficiency? Modern replacement windows are designed specifically to combat energy loss. They feature advanced materials and technology that help regulate indoor temperatures more effectively. Double or triple pane glass. Unlike single pane windows, energy-efficient windows use 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating gas sealed between them. This design reduces heat transfer, keeping the hot air outside during Slidell's warm months and helping maintain a stable indoor climate. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings reflect heat while still allowing natural light to enter your home. That means you can enjoy bright, sunlit rooms without the extra heat that typically drives up cooling costs. Improved seals and frames. High-quality replacement windows are built with tight seals and durable framing materials that resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. This prevents air leaks and helps protect your home from humidity-related issues common in the area. Lower monthly energy bills. When your home is properly sealed and insulated with efficient windows, your HVAC system doesn't have to run as frequently or as long. This reduction in workload can significantly lower your monthly energy bills. Many homeowners in Slidell notice savings almost immediately after installing new windows. While exact savings vary depending on the size of the home and the condition of previous windows, the long-term reduction in energy consumption can add up substantially over time. Increased comfort year-round. Lower bills are only part of the benefit. Replacement windows also make your home more comfortable. You'll likely experience fewer hot spots near windows, reduced indoor humidity, less outside noise, more consistent temperatures throughout the house during peak of summer. This improved insulation can make a noticeable difference in how cool and comfortable your living spaces feel. Protection against moisture and storms. Slidell homeowners are no strangers to heavy rain and strong storms. Modern replacement windows are built to withstand harsh weather conditions while keeping moisture out. Better sealing reduces the risk of water intrusion, which can lead to mold growth and structural damage over time. By upgrading your windows, you're not just lowering energy costs, you're also protecting your home's long-term value. Boosted home value and curb appeal. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for today's buyers. If you ever decide to sell your home, updated windows can increase its appeal and market value. New windows provide a clean, modern look that enhances curb appeal while signaling to potential buyers that the home has been well maintained. A smart investment for Slidell homeowners. With the climate challenges in Slidell, replacement windows aren't just an aesthetic upgrade, they're a practical solution for lowering energy bills and improving comfort. By reducing air leaks, blocking excess heat, and easing the burden on your HVAC system, new windows help you save money month after month. If your windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to open and close, it may be time to consider an upgrade. Investing in energy-efficient replacement windows today can lead to lasting savings, better comfort, and greater peace of mind for years to come.